Good afternoon, Manjuba. Today's project is Fire and Smoke Alarm. Before starting this, I would like to say that we have submitted this video to National Innovation Cell of Ministry of Education Innovation Cell. So, our topic is Fire and Smoke Alarm. So, this is I am Mohammed Yaqub, the team lead, and we have P. Seeker, Finance Manager, Vinay Krishna, Sales Head, Vishwas Kava, Assistant Lead, and Guru Prasad as Academic Desk Leader. So, we will start by saying our first topic, problem currently faced. Before I am going to tell you about my project, first let me tell you the problem caused for this innovation. The problem currently faced like we know that when suddenly when the fuse goes off or in a kitchen when there is a fire accident taking place. Some of them will not know or it may not come to the analysis of the person who is staying there that there is a fire occurrence and there is an emergency there. So this is an often case nowadays coming on. But this is the problem we are facing, and for this solution we have came up with the fire and smoke alarm. Wherever the fire and smoke takes place. First, like fire alarms are essentially because they provided an early warning system. Rapid detection allows a quicker response, including evacuation, firefighting measures, etc. So my friend will Vishwas continue with the process of how to create a fire alarm. Vishwas, please.
Hello everyone, I am Mr. Taba, the assistant lead here. Today I am going to talk about the components of fire and smoke alarm system. So let's have a look on the components one by one. First we have jumper wire. A jumper wire is an electric wire that connects remote electric circuit used for printed circuit boards. Next up we have buzzer. A buzzer or a beeper is an audio signaling device which may be mechanical, electrochemical and etc. Next we have the smoke sensors. Smoke sensor have a small amount of radioactive material between two electrical charged particles. Next up we have switch. An electric switch is a device that interrupts the electric.
Good afternoon everyone. We are going to look at Arduino pin connection. Arduino pin is connected to positive and negative, and the Arduino GND power pin is connected to the GND buzzer. Next we have the business potential of our product. Our product has immense potential because of the low market value, low market competitors, and it also has many advantages because the market is very low and the safety of our customers is prioritized over money. And thank you AICTE and Innovation Center.